Hola guys, we are Pete
And Joe.
Welcome in our channel. Today we are in beautiful Tarifa in Spain, very close to Morocco. And yeah, we are just sitting on the beach.
Yes, with the sunshine again. Yeah,
With the sunshine. We don't have any special plans for today, and we decided to dedicate this video to basically being in the state of mind, in the state of floating in the ocean like a cork.
Oh yes, not to have plan. This is the day
This is
of
the
not
day.
having a plan. Just flow.
Just
Just go
sitting,
with the flow.
yes, and observing life from our place. Life is passing by, and we're watching people and surfers and dogs on the beach, and the wind and waves. Yeah, it's beautiful to be sometimes in this kind of state of mind, surrendered to everything which is given by life to us. Of course, this kind of state of mind not gonna last for a long time, but time to time it's good to have this kind of state of mind, just being in the present moment and enjoying the life itself. It's so beautiful. I mean, always is beautiful, but like going on the idle, like doing nothing, having sun and wind and the air beneath and water from the ocean is so beautiful, so beautiful.
Yes, it's good to slow down and just sit down and just without any rushing, just think about, or not even think, just flow.
I highly recommend you to go to the forest, to the nature, to mountains, hills, lakes, or ocean if you have around, just to reconnect with the nature, reconnect with yourself, and just going with the flow, really, and just being an observer of life. It's so beautiful feeling.
Yeah, simple things are really beautiful.
Even if your life is very busy, definitely you will find like 15 minutes or half an hour just to reconnect with yourself and the planet. Yeah, this is what I wanted to say today. Maybe Joe. Okay, so this is it for today. Please, please, please go and reconnect with the nature and with yourself. It's much better than watching Netflix. It's really good to hear the nature, to feel the nature, to smell the nature, to see the nature. It's so beautiful. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.
See you again.
Please subscribe, please like this video, please make some comments so we can reply to you. It helps us to grow our channel and share with you our experience, live experience. See you next time.